Hi guys, so in the same server, I just got these two eggs, razorclaw and raptoe, so I'm gonna go hatch them, so. Alright, now I'm gonna go bonk them on chickens and hatch them both. Wait, I wonder if I can hit the chicken twice with these. Okay, we'll get razorclaw first. Then, let's get razorclaw. I'm probably gonna speed this up, so. Time for hatching. Hatching razorclaw. This is my first dino that I got, so. I got this blue one. His name is Bizalaga. Bye bye. Next one, so I'm gonna cut to it. Alright, last but not least, raptoe. Yo, that's a cool one. I got this one. I got this one, it's pretty cool. Oh. Alright, so peace out guys. These are the two dinos I got. I'm gonna show you my first person, I'm gonna show you guys my whole stash. So I got this and this from today. And then I have all these. Here, I'm gonna do this so you guys can see all the levels. This, 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 this. I don't like how that happens. This, this. And just know I hatched all these